Koodo mobile operator full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. In this video, we're reviewing Koodo Mobile, covering its features, strengths, and weaknesses. Links to the products are in the description, so make sure to check them out. Let's get into it. Koodo Mobile, a subsidiary of TELUS, is a prepaid and postpaid mobile carrier in Canada, known for offering flexible plans with affordable pricing. One of the key highlights of Koodo is its no fixed-term contracts, giving users the freedom to change or cancel their plan anytime without penalty. They offer prepaid and postpaid plans, with options for data, unlimited talk, and texting, catering to a variety of needs. Whether you're someone who uses minimal data or consumes large amounts, Koodo has flexible options that can fit any budget. Who is Koodo Mobile for? It's perfect for budget-conscious users who want flexibility without being tied to a contract. If you're someone who doesn't want to deal with the hassle of long-term commitments and wants a straightforward, reliable plan, Koodo is an excellent choice. The carrier also offers shared data plans, making it a great option for families or people who want to pool their data. However, while Koodo provides great value, there are some drawbacks. The data coverage is solid, but not as extensive or fast as what you would get with TELUS itself or other larger carriers. Koodo's customer service is decent, but some users report long wait times or delays in resolving issues. Additionally, Koodo's data overage charges can get expensive if you exceed your plan limits, so it's important to keep track of your usage. In conclusion, Koodo Mobile offers affordable, flexible plans with the advantage of being part of the TELUS network, providing solid coverage across Canada. However, if you're looking for the fastest data speeds or premium customer service, you might want to explore other options. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details.